Hey guys, I bought myself a block heater for the Kioti NS 6010. Watched a couple videos and looked easy enough. However, I could not get the plug to stay in the frost cap hole, and the instructions tell you to tap it in and it would stay, but it was not the case. I put some Loctite, it seemed to hold, but as soon as I filled up the reservoir, it just started pissing out everywhere. So brought it back to the dealer. It may have been the wrong size, but I ended up getting an inline heater instead. So I'll show you that. Right, so I had taken this frost cap out here. This one right here. Originally I'd taken this one out, but once you go to actually put the plug in, the starter's in the way. So put some more Loctite on there, good to go. And I did this one, and yeah, that's where it just kept leaking right at the bottom. Everything was cured up top all the way around, but I guess there was a weak spot. Also to note, getting the antifreeze out of here is very difficult, so good luck with that. I went with this option. Inline heater was relatively easy to put in, but due to everything nowadays, it's so compact, you have to remove the exhaust, which is only this bolt right here, and there's another one right in the back here. You'll need an extension for that one, and those are 14 millimeter. And then there's a third one here, which for some reason is a 12 millimeter, but that will work anyhow. Cut the hose based on instructions. Basically, if you can just get the width of the body right here, you're good to go. Loosen this hose clamp right here. Sorry, my filming is not the best. And then you can move this up all the way, and it'll give you a lot more room to play with, and you should be good to go. In a nutshell, in Canada, I can get up to about -40 with the wind chill, sometimes colder. I will be storing it in a Quonset, so that will help out, but it is not insulated. So I figured that the inline heater would be a must. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm sure she'll start now, no problem. Take care, guys.